Good morning, everyone. Sorry for the late start. Went out for a while and came back and realized it's 8:54. So gonna do a quick one. So far I think today the market is not gonna be good. Let's take a look into all this. I'm just gonna look into the list that it shows. They have the intention to mark the price up higher the day before they close, having any of the closing. Before the closing, last trading days, all right? So those are in my list of next day price up. This one shows that they have a continuation of price up. This one also is showing the same thing. A minute. So I hope you guys have recharged from the what is it? I can't remember. From the long weekend, all right? So what I will look into it are mainly 4 more minutes to market open. Give me a moment. Favorite list. This in the favorite list. This one 3 cents up is a bit too much. What's that? That is 3 cents up. Oh no, not. No as well. Much more of a continuation of price down. So I am going to look into this. So open up the market tab. So that you guys can see it. And then put movements. Excuse me. At the moment, those glove stocks are more like showing sign that they are going downwards. So no sign of them want to mark the price up yet. Here, thinking whether go for this one or this. Maybe this one is much. This one could be better. At least this is showing sign that they want to mark the price up higher rather than having some selling pressure coming in. So 1 minute left to market open. Highest take price is 660. Okay, I'll just put it at 660. That's fine. So just need to wait for the last 5 seconds. All right. No cancel of orders. Everything is fine. And right now, okay. So this one that we are looking into it, pre-opening price is 56 cents. We can see the buy queue is queuing at the 1000 overlots. Let's put this at the top. So we're looking at the top one and chart to the side. No longer need the chart anymore. Let's drag it down lower. Not liquid from here, but it's fine. So 555, 1700 plus, and 55 cents is showing sign of 8600. So when we see something like this, it's not really a great sign. Just like having a fixed support there to attract retail investors to come in. It's gonna take some time. The rest of it, it'll change last price, close lower also. Never mind. Continue to look into this. Gamuda should have fast. Thinking of Gamuda or maybe the dialogue just now. But it's fine. It's already marked up. Just have to wait for it. So usually they will have more of the price are easier to move it higher if it's 1 ringgit and above. So those that is like cent, 50 cents, 1 ringgit and below, then they will have the fluctuation is lesser because it move up by half cent, half cent, half cent. So if we go by ticks, half cent and 1 cent is also 1 tick, then 1 cent will actually move up more. Just have to wait for this because this is a rebound, so we are looking at it based on the rebound. So because there's no buyers in the market, so they will try to mark the price up higher and also create a volume to mark it up higher. What did I want to read this out? Two days, the day before, 1 week. So of course, if let's say you want to know like how we look into the rebound, how we find the rebound for stocks, tomorrow we will be having a webinar talking about this. Continuation of price, that after those price rebound, then they continue to move up higher. So if let's say you do not want to get trapped entering at the high side, all right, then or maybe don't want to get into any of the stocks that is going to mark it down lower after the price move up, then this is the session that you need to look into it. Tomorrow webinar at 8:30 p.m. Okay. So you don't want to miss that out. Okay. My Facebook site is set up for that. Let me see whether I can link to Facebook or not. Just recently it's not working, it's not linking to Facebook site. I don't know why. Huh? My God. It works right now. I don't know why at night it doesn't allow me to go live for Facebook site. But right now they allowed me to do it. So it has been a very long time I haven't go online or live stream on Facebook because of that reason. So I don't know how Facebook works actually, but never mind. Let's come back into this. It works sometimes, it doesn't work sometimes. So right now price is down a little bit at 5.5 and 5.6. Previously was about 400 over lots at 56 cents, and they refill up to 800 plus. Not a problem. In the meantime, I'll just look for any of the stocks because right now all the stocks have already marked up high. So it will be risky for us to move into those stocks for any of the entry. So either they have already marked up and they start to throw the price down lower, or they have already gone to the high side. So we have to look for something that is not moving up yet. Okay. So of course, while we are waiting for this, let me share a bit. If you please help us to like and subscribe and share this out to your friends. Or so in the future, if let's say we have any live stream coming out for intraday trading, so we can have a look into it, right? And of course, if you want to open a trading account and follow me, then there's a link below for account opening for Malaysia market only. All right. This one basically just done. Let's see whether Maybank will sustain at the high side. If let's say it does, then KLSE won't be that bad. Not nice for this. Let's see, how about CIB? Okay, price up. Seems like CMB is still okay. It's not that bad. So since Maybank might be having a drop from there, I think this eco will take some time. It won't react so fast. So if you did not follow our Sunday market prep, so I have already mentioned during Sunday that how is the market right now. It is basically a short-term trading market where a lot of uncertainty that is going on. So what are the uncertainties? Election is coming and stuff like that. There's a lot of things, and then you do not know when the market is going to crash. Like look into Hang Seng Index yesterday, it suddenly just crashed after Mr. Premier C, I think. Okay, so he continues his term, and yeah, that's the thing. So you don't want to have holding, like suddenly just wake up in the morning and the market suddenly crash and then you caught in the losses. So avoid that is to go for short term. Knowing which trading method to apply in the right market is very important as a trader. So it's not saying like day trading is better, short term is better, long term holding is better. It is about whether you know when to apply the right trading method in the market, in the right market cycle. So now you know it, you need to learn it, how to do it. People are not coming back to the market yet. Still enjoying their holiday, huh? A long weekend, and also it's close to the end of the year, so clearing leave. So you do get a lot of leave when during MCO time. So right now things open up, so you don't. I mean, that time you don't get to travel much, but right now you get to travel more. Mm. One minute. Alright, let's back to it. Now I think this one is going to take some time for them to make a move. So let me look through some sharing with you guys. So as we can see, this stock's here going down a lot, and on this day itself, there's a very high volume that comes up. So we need to know whether what is their intention over here, whether they will continue to move the price up higher. But so far overall, we can see whenever the price is at the bottom, there's high volume, and then pause the price, pause the price. So here also the same thing, pause the price. Here higher volume actually comes in. So there's some institutional investors are coming into these stocks in this case, because with such a high volume, if it's selling pressure, the price should go down lower, right? So we need to look into a 5-minute chart to see this high volume is created from where. How does it create? Price down or at the price bottom, right? Or maybe at the price up. So 20th of October, look into 5-minute charts. 20th of October, which is here. 19 or 20th? Yeah, 20th of October. If you look at the 5-minute charts, which is here. So the highest volume is actually created from here at the last 10 minutes of the trades. So those are usually the funds are doing their own transaction there. So what we really need to look into is here. So high volume comes in, the major volume here is mainly the one that it marked the price up higher. Then the rest of it, if it's such a high volume or high selling pressure, why the price are not pressing it down lower? So don't you question that? So that's why this is where the support actually comes in, the demand comes in. So if you're using this method to find the bottom, it's much more better than you use the support line, previous low support line, which always never fail to disappoint us, right? So we can see, even though the price is down on 19th of October, the volume created are at the bottom, so supporting the price. Although here there's a little bit of selling pressure, so that's why it's squared out. So it should be time anytime soon for these stocks. So it showed the intention that they want to mark the price up higher, but it's not marking up yet. So that's why we can, wait for it. Okay. So continue to watch this. It's gonna take some time. I don't think it's gonna move like in the morning, like how I always try to use it. But throughout the whole day, I'll share it out. Okay. And of course, if let's say I have any, I'll just update you guys and doing a posting in YouTube and also the Facebook side. All right. So it's gonna be a long day waiting. I'm not gonna stay here for a whole day right now, so I'll just call it off here. All right. So of course, thank you very much for joining into our session, and remember to give us a like and subscribe and share this out to your friends who like to trade in the Malaysia market for intraday trade. And remember, tomorrow we will be having a webinar, so go to our YouTube, Facebook page and look into our event and register from there, or maybe go to our website rawandsearch.com, click on event and RSVP the event. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.
Round and Search. True traders react to the market.